Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I got something special, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So these came out, I think, this week or maybe last week. I'm not quite sure, but they came out in Switzerland this week, so I got them today. And yeah, I got them in mystic bronze, I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm really excited to try them out. And yeah, I also got the original Galaxy Buds in white, and I also bought the Galaxy Buds Plus, but I returned them. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing of the new Galaxy Buds Live. So here we can see the package of the Galaxy Buds Live. In the front we can see a very nice picture of the buds itself, and it also feels different than the rest. It's kind of like a glossy finish, and here it says Buds Live. On this side we have the name, the complete name, so Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And yeah, on the back there's some additional info, like that they have active noise cancellation and 6 to 21 hours of playtime. I think this is a very big range, but whatever. So let's try and open them. So I just had to get a knife real quick, and now I can slide it open right there. Oh, and also at the bottom right here. And now I can take off the lid, maybe. Yeah, there we have it. This is the case. And in the lid itself there's a little package with documentation. So let's take a look at this first. If I can take it out, it's really in there. I can take it out one by one. So we have a warranty card, and we have a quick start guide, which are included in the box. Next up we have the accessories. So in this little box we have a charging cable. This is a black USB A to USB C cable. It's not that long, around 1 meter. And I think I also saw some replacement thingies right here. So yeah, we have these two also included in the box. Not really sure where they go, but I think we'll find out pretty quickly. And lastly we have the buds itself. So let's take this paper away, and again, for a little size comparison, I have the case of the old Galaxy Buds, and the case of the Buds Plus is roughly the same size as this one. And yeah, right next to it the new one. So the shape is different, as you can tell. The height are roughly the same, and of course, since the shape is different, also the other dimensions are also different. So yeah, let's take it out. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit more. Not really. So I'll come closer. Let's open the case, and here we have them, ladies and gentlemen, looking pretty nice. I really like the mystic bronze color. Oh, but very prone to fingerprints. Maybe I will lay it down right here. And let's take a look at the case. So the case is basically the same as from the other models. So we have the two spaces for the earbuds, left and right. We have a little LED right here, maybe you can see it right here, which will indicate the charging status of the buds. We have a case on the outside. I think this is indicating the battery life of the case itself. And yeah, these are magnetic. Oh, I think I put them in the wrong slot. So these are magnetic. I can turn this around, shake a little bit, and they're not gonna fall out. And yeah, so that's really cool. And I think it's these things right here around the charging port, which you can change and put these on. But yeah, that was already all there is to it. I think I'm just gonna try them on real quick. So for the next scene, I put the camera a little closer to my face so that you can see my ears a little bit better. And yeah, let's try them on. So this is the first time I try them on. So let's take the right one and try to fit it into my right ear. I think that's how it's supposed to go in there. And I already heard a little beep sound, which tells me that the earbud recognized that it's in my ear. So yeah, let's try out the other one. And I wouldn't really be too surprised if I needed to change these little thingies. Maybe you can see it better now. These little thingies, because I have rather big ears. Camera, focus please. Thanks. Yeah, if I need to change them to the bigger ones, but I'll try it out without them first. Yeah, fits perfectly. Don't really fall out if I shake my head, and I think they look pretty nice. They're fairly hidden in my ears, so that's a big plus, and I love the color of them. I really love the color. But yeah, that was the unboxing and first impression of the new Samsung Galaxy Life, or no, how they're called, Samsung Galaxy Buds Life, that's the name. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you have a wonderful day.